As the war between Russia and Ukraine continues, the conflict grows more intense day by day. Both sides use their military power to defend their strength and position. Russia, with its advanced technology, is expanding efforts to strengthen its military against Ukraine, whose weapons mostly come from Western support. However, it seems that the weapon supplies from the United States to Ukraine are still not robust enough to push back against Russia's position. In early June 2025, reports came out that a Paladin unit, the U.S. Army's proud self-propelled artillery system, was destroyed by a Russian precision strike on the battlefield in Ukraine. This system, long praised by the West and used by Ukraine, was apparently not strong enough to survive the attack from Russian forces. In today's video, we'll uncover the story behind Russia's strike on the Paladin, what happened on it, and was any important information found in the wreckage? Stay tuned. Paladin is an American self-propelled artillery system. It has undergone several upgrades from the West, and it's known as the main support for the U.S. Army Division. In its operation, Paladin is used to carry a 155mm howitzer. Furthermore, Paladin has a maximum firing range of 24 kilometers with standard projectiles and 30 kilometers with rocket-assisted projectiles. The maximum rate of fire issued by this artillery is 4 rounds per minute. The continuous rate of fire is 1 round every 3 minutes. Some of the U.S. Paladins are equipped with modification kits to fire the M982 Excalibur long-range precision-guided projectile. The Excalibur is GPS-guided and has a maximum range of 40 kilometers. The Paladin can stop and fire the first round in less than 60 seconds. This vehicle offers improvements in dimensions, weight, power, cooling efficiency, readiness, defensive measures, and overall battlefield survivability. It is designed to accommodate larger caliber and longer range gun mounts to meet the U.S. Army's goal of increased range and lethality. With all its incredible specs, why was this artillery vehicle destroyed in an attack launched by Russia? Here is the data. Amidst the ongoing battles on the Ukrainian battlefield, a momentous event has once again caught the public's attention. In mid-2025, precisely on June 6th, via the Telegram channel by the Ministry of Defense of Russia, a video was released showing that crews from the Russian Sever Troops Group informed the results of their precision strikes on the United States M109 Paladin self-propelled gun system, which was operated by Ukrainian troops. This moment was in the spotlight because the Paladin is one of the mainstay weapons of American military aid to Ukraine. It is known for its incredible firepower, advanced computational firing system, and strong crew protection. However, all of these advantages apparently were not enough to save this unit from the artillery attacks launched in a coordinated and targeted manner by Russia. The report informs that the attack was launched from the artillery of the 30th Motorized Rifle Regiment, which is part of Russia's active artillery force in the Eastern Conflict Zone. With intelligence coordination and air reconnaissance support, the troops successfully launched a direct precision strike on the Paladin position. The hit not only disabled the weapon's operation, but also triggered the explosion of the internal ammunition inside the vehicle, causing its total destruction. The explosion produced a large fire visible from a distance, showing the devastating impact of a direct hit on a heavy weapon system like the Paladin. For Russia, this success is not only a tactical victory, but also a symbol of resistance to Western technology that has long been considered superior. The Russian military said the Paladin wreckage would be evacuated soon for further examination. Based on the data, Russia's success in targeting Ukraine's Paladin artillery systems wasn't a one-time event. In early mid-April 2025, the military summary Telegram channel reported a significant strike near the Pokrovsk region, involving 2 Paladin units operated by the Ukrainian armed forces. A video footage captured the moment when a Russian FPV drone struck the US self-propelled artillery on April 11th. This incident highlights Russia's growing effectiveness in deploying low-cost but highly lethal kamikaze drones, which are now capable of breaching the defenses of even the most advanced Western-made artillery systems. With Russia's repeated attacks on the Paladin, has any crucial Ukrainian data been recovered and examined by Russia? Check this out. Through a series of targeted strikes on the US-supplied Paladin, Russia may not have recovered sensitive technology, but that doesn't mean the attacks were in vain. These strikes have provided Moscow with something arguably more valuable: proof of concept. Russia now has clear evidence that its low-cost kamikaze drones can breach even advanced Western-built artillery systems. The repeated destruction of the Paladin has highlighted key structural vulnerabilities, particularly on the top of the turret and where the turret connects to the chassis, areas with lighter armor. These weak spots have consistently been exploited by Russian drones and precision weapons. For military analysts and weapons designers, this data is gold. It offers a blueprint for developing more effective munitions and refining targeting strategies. Though no critical systems or classified components were reportedly retrieved, Russia has gained significant operational lessons. They've demonstrated that budget-friendly drone warfare can effectively challenge high-end Western military hardware. With each successful strike, Russia inches closer to shifting the battlefield advantage. The question now is, can Ukraine and its Western allies adapt quickly enough to hold their ground? As the war escalates, so does the truth. Until next time, see you on another fact. Thanks for watching.